what is the fastest way that I can place three things next to each other. You see right here, I have three cards. So I have three cards, and let's say that I want to have them next to each other. So the fastest way is to make a container for them. So you see I have a div here with a class called container, and I have placed everything inside of that container. So I have all of my other divs inside that, so I'm ready to select that container. So I can say, for example, in CSS, dot container, so dot container, and open two curly braces. So now I can say display, and I'm going to use flex. And as I do that, you'll notice that my elements will sit next to each other. So now I'm going to say, if we want to center it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say justify content : center. And as you do that, you'll notice that your content will be centered. So these are what you'll need. So you'll need to basically place everything inside of that container, right? So place every HTML element inside of that div. And inside of that container div, you see we have selected it. We have given it the class called container, and we have set the display to flex and justify content center. So this is one of the fastest ways that you can center anything and display things next to each other with CSS. So I hope you liked the video, everyone.